The Jupiter Exchange just introduced JLP loans, where you can borrow USDC against your JLP deposits and deploy this new USDC into more DeFi. This is a quick and effective strategy to put your JLP deposits to work and earn a higher yield. Let's take a look. So what is JLP? JLP is a Jupiter liquidity provider over on the earn section, and the JLP token specifically is an index of Sol, ETH, Wrapped Bitcoin, USDC, and USDT all bundled into one. So for simply holding the JLP token, you earn up to 75% of fees generated on the Jupiter platform. You are the counterparty or the house for traders on the platform. Currently, the APY is at 10%. So for buying and holding the JLP token, you earn a 10% yield. And there's two ways to purchase the JLP token. You can directly mint it in this JLP page, or you can swap for it over on the swap page. So let's try directly minting in the JLP pool page. We'll click on buy sell JLP, and currently locked in this liquidity pool, there's over 1.5 billion in dollar amount. Assets under management limit here is 1.7 billion. But definitely keep an eye out on this number. It is capped. So let's go ahead and acquire some JLP. We'll click on buy sell JLP and click on the amount you want to purchase and approve. Cool, that was confirmed. And if you look at my Phantom wallet, I now have some JLP available. Now let's get to the loan section over on the JLP loan tab. You can see by depositing JLP here, you can borrow USDC against it. And now you're probably wondering, why would you want to borrow against it? The borrow rate currently is roughly 3%, yet the earn rate is 10%. So that's about a 7% difference in APY. So with that amount of arbitrage, you can then again buy some more JLP and put it back into the same pool, earning you that extra 7%. So let me show you what I mean. I currently don't have a position yet in the loan section. So we're going to go ahead and deposit one JLP for now. So at the time of filming, for depositing one JLP, that is a 3.90 borrow of USDC, and the loan to value ratio here is roughly 80%. So that means the liquidation price of the JLP token would be at $4.55. The current price is roughly $4.94. So for demonstration purposes, I'm gonna go ahead and borrow this USDC and confirming your wallet. Right, that was deposited and borrowed. Now I have some newly borrowed USDC in my Phantom wallet. I can then go ahead and loop it back into the JLP pool. Remember, this is earning 10% while the borrow rate is roughly 3%. So what I'm gonna want to do is buy some more JLP and put it back into this JLP pool. So let's click here again. We're gonna buy some more JLP. With the amount of USDC I borrowed, I can purchase 0.82 JLP at these current rates. So let's go ahead and approve this. Great, that was confirmed. Let's go back to the perp section, and within the perp section there is the earn tab. You do see our new balance of 0.84 was added to our original balance. So now in effect, I have looped borrowing some USDC and purchasing some more JLP to earn that extra percent yield. And in theory, you can infinitely loop this method. You just have to pay attention to your liquidation price and keep in mind that the loan to value ratio is roughly 80%. So there you have it, a quick and effective way to take advantage of the new JLP loans within Jupiter DEX. It's an easy way to earn an extra yield just for holding the JLP token. So what do you think about this new feature? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to check out my YouTube channel where I have tons of other crypto tutorials. And don't forget, if you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.